Look what's in my yard. I was wondering what was wrong with the chickens. Look at that. I don't see another one. They're not too sure what to make of this. All right, I'm gonna walk over here and maybe, he's really neat and all, but probably don't want him in the yard. This is my first film with my new phone. Hey, buddy. Hey, do you think you should go somewhere else? There he went. Look at that. I heard something earlier, but I thought it was one of them. Yeah, you're gonna hurt yourself. That's a long ways up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try and get her down. I'm not really sure how. Hey, come over here. Come this way. No. Oh, crud. She's gonna jump. Please don't hurt yourself. Please don't hurt yourself, honey. Okay, that was fun. So she got up here. So what I did was I just sort of lured her over here with treats until she got over here to the end. And then I got up on that stool, reached up and got her. So I think that's how they've been getting up there. Because one of the others was up there too once. I didn't witness it, but my neighbor took a picture of it. They get up here, and then they jump up there, and then they wander around. And obviously I wasn't paying attention, so I didn't see it. So she was up there for a good, probably a couple minutes before I knew. Don't even think about it, Angel. I'm watching you. Shadow, chasing chickens. Oh, Sweetie. In my shadow. Oh. See, we're going to have a tunnel here at some point, so they won't be able to do that. But I'm thinking I might put a board or a cover of some sort on part of it, so that if they do want to jump over it or onto it, they can. Otherwise, they're going to jump right onto the welded wire. Okay, see, I think she needs to lay an egg. That could be that what she was trying to do is get into the coop. Sometimes they think, for some reason, they want to get in the coop on this side. Which is funny that they actually can go, oh yeah, that's the nesting box. Which is even funnier is that she's not even going to go up there. Well, it's official. Spring is coming. These have been here since we moved in. So 4 years. They just keep coming up. They're beautiful. All right, here are the buds on our serviceberry tree. We have 3 of these. Not much happening with the butterfly bush yet. Here's the apple tree. It has 3 varieties. And it's A little bit going on, but not much. I'm looking for popcorn. Everybody went inside, but I didn't actually see popcorn go in. So, oh, there you are. Okay, all right. Always put eyes on your chicken, all your chickens, before you just walk away. The only little change I did today was switch the place of the water and the feeder. I'm thinking if I have that feeder right there that Sweepy is frozen next to for some bizarre reason. Is Cloud's frozen too? Well, if I put it there, it's actually a little further away from this one. Because sometimes Phoenix here, and even the Wyandottes, yes, you, Cleo, you, yes, like to go around and disturb anyone who's eating. What? What do you guys see or hear? Hmm? Darla, do I? Oh, Phoenix opened her eyes. She's like, oh, crud. Okay, I'll just stand down here. That was funny. She's like, maybe I can jump up there. Popcorn. Sweepy. Well, one chicken bath down. There's Miss Cloud. Oh yeah, so I put her in a tub of warm water, and it took a while to clean her off. I mean, I had gloves on, and then I had to take the gloves off to basically pinch the poop because it was so rock hard that the soaking wasn't quite doing it. So I had to get some Dawn dish soap, put that on there and let it sit for a minute, put her back into the water. Then I had to use scissors. So I got as much as I can. And I think she's actually pretty clean. Yeah, so there's a little tiny ball right under her vent that I couldn't get very well. All right, well, hey. But it's pretty warm out here. And I did use a blow dryer for a while. PK, honey, what? No. Look how full you are. No. So I did use a towel and a dryer on her for a while. But now we're outside. When they're wet, they look like they got poop in the diaper. Poop in the diaper. Yeah. PK, you're gonna be needing a bath too. Yeah, see, she's getting a buildup of just, it's on her fluffy feathers. At least she doesn't have like a hard ball of it right up against her skin or near her vent. And that was what was wrong with her. I couldn't just clip it off because it was literally attached to her skin. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't pull on it. So we're good now. Fresh start from Miss Cloud. Spring cleaning. The spring chicken butt cleaning. PK, what a beautiful shot of you by the flowers, the tulips. No, those are not tulips. Daffodils. Right by the daffodils. Getting my flowers mixed up. They really do get along in general. And look at this. Yeah, Starla sitting nicely next to Sweepy. Popcorn is hanging out next to PK. I'm just talking to myself, remember? Yeah, this is what I do. Can't we remember? Great. Angel? Do you think she's done with her egg laying? Are you done, Angel? Shall I go look? Shall I? You want to come eat some food now? There you are. Now everyone's going to jump down because Phoenix is right there. Popcorn. It's like, oh my gosh. What do I do? Alright, she's disrupting things. She wants to sit next to PK. Right, now everyone's gonna leave. Nice job, Phoenix.